everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Todoist and Gmail. So the use case here is that whenever a task is completed in Todoist, we want to send an email via Gmail automatically. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Todoist is a to-do list application software, whereas Gmail is a free email service. So the problem here is that although Todoist and Gmail have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help us to transfer data from Todoist to Gmail. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign in to our account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay. So now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. So here I'll give a name. So the name is going to be Todoist to Gmail. So now I'll create it. So first I am going to integrate Todoist with Pabbly Connect and then I will integrate Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So here I'll put Todoist. Okay, so now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a task is completed in Todoist, we want to send an email through Gmail. So task completed will be our trigger method over here. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? So let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a task is completed in Todoist, we want to send a mail through Gmail. So task completed in Todoist will be our trigger, whereas sending a mail through Gmail will be our action. So when you click over here, you can see we have various other trigger methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. Okay, so now when you come down, you can see this term called webhook URL over here. So after choosing the app and the trigger event over here, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Todoist over here. So now again, you might have a question in your mind that what is this webhook? So let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So here you can read the instructions carefully and follow them. So first instruction says log into your Todoist account. So I've already opened my Todoist account over here. Then click on create a new app button at the app management console. So now I'm going to click on this app management console. I'll open it in a new tab. So it is here. So now I'm going to create a new app. Now let me name it as Todoist to Gmail integration. Okay, so now provide your app name and click on create app button. Okay, so I'm going to create app. Okay, so now the instruction says that click on create test token button. Now in the bottom section, you can find the webhook setup area. Okay, create test token. So I'll go down and here you can see create test token. So I'll click on it. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have got from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so we have pasted the webhook URL. Now according to the instruction, it says that opt item completed option there and click activate webhook button. So here you can see item completed. So I'll click on it and now I'm going to activate the webhook. Okay, so webhook successfully configured. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now here it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go to Todoist and complete a task. So I'll go to my Todoist account. So now here I am at Todoist account and here I have already created a project called Todoist integration with Gmail. So I'll click on it and here you can see I have two tasks over here. First step integration and second step integration. So now I am going to complete this task over here, first step integration. So I'll click on this. So you can see one task completed. That means we have successfully finished our task over here. So now I'll go to Pabbly Connect and let's see if it has captured the webhook response or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So you can see first step integration was the task in Todoist that was completed. That is why we have got our data over here. So you can see item completed. So now I'll click on save. Okay. So here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Todoist and Pabbly Connect. Now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Gmail and Pabbly Connect. So I'll click on this plus button and here I am going to choose Gmail. Action event is going to be send an email. So send an email, connect with Gmail. So create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credential like this, you can just go forward with that. But here I am going to click on new credentials, connect with Gmail. So here you have to choose the account where you want to connect. So Gary Monroe, allow. You don't have to worry about your information. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. I'll click on OK. So here we have some empty fields and we have to put the information that we have got from our webhook response. So I'll just map these information there. So recipient name. So who should receive these mails? So I have to put the name of the recipient who will get the email. So I'll put it as Gary Monroe. Recipient email. So I already have the Gmail account over here. I'll just copy this, go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so from name, Pabbly, from email, support@pabbly.com. Okay, so in email subject, I am going to write Todoist task and I'll just map item completed, this one. Okay, now in email message, I am going to write task. So the task name was first step integration completed on, and I'll put the date over here, this one. Okay, so now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Todoist and Gmail. So now I'll save it. Okay, so now let's go to our recipient's Gmail account and see if a new mail is there or not. Okay, so I'll go to the Gmail account. So you can see a mail is over here. Todoist task item completed and the message is task first step integration completed on, the date and the time is over here. So we have finished our integration successfully. Now I am going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to Todoist and I'm going to finish this task, second step integration. So I'll click on this. You can see task is completed. Now let's go to Gmail account and see if a new mail is there or not. So I'll go here, I'll go back to inbox, I'll refresh this. You can see we have another mail. Task second step integration completed on, date is here, time is here. So our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Todoist to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Gmail. So now every time a task is completed in Todoist, an email will be sent via Gmail. So we have successfully integrated Todoist and Gmail using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.